Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play good on keyboard. First, let's establish a solid foundation. Sit comfortably with your back straight and shoulders relaxed. Your forearms should be roughly parallel to the floor, forming about a 90-degree angle at your elbows. Keep your wrists flat, not bent up or down, and curve your fingers naturally over the keys as if holding a small ball. This proper posture is crucial for comfort and preventing strain during long playing sessions. Now, let's focus on your fingers. It's important to use all 5 fingers actively, not just your strongest ones. Practice lifting each finger high and striking the key with a firm, yet relaxed motion. This builds independence and control. Many exercises focus on strengthening your 4th and 5th fingers, which are often weaker. Aim for a light, even touch, letting the natural weight of your arm contribute to the key press rather than relying solely on finger strength. Consistent practice is key to improvement. Aim for at least 30 minutes daily, rather than one long session weekly. When learning new material, always start slowly. Focus on playing every note correctly and with the right rhythm before increasing your tempo. If a section is challenging, break it down into smaller 2 or 4 measure segments. Regularly practicing scales and arpeggios will significantly enhance your finger dexterity and overall musical understanding. To truly play well, move beyond just hitting the right notes. Actively listen to diverse music. This expands your musical vocabulary. Experiment with dynamics, playing with varying degrees of loudness and softness to add expression. A solid sense of rhythm is fundamental. Practice with a metronome and count aloud. Ultimately, strive to convey emotion and connect with the music you are playing, making each performance uniquely yours.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.